Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. It's the Bangkok Transport Guide here. Today I'm at the MRT Pink Line, Laksi, and I'm heading towards Koh Kret Island. Okay, so I am here at Laksi and I want to go all the way along there, and we're going to come round to the station Yaek, Pak Kret. That's where I'm going to get off, and from there I'm going to take a motorcycle taxi. สวัสดีครับผมอยากไปแยกปากเกร็ด
แยกปากเกร็ดนะครับแยกปากเกร็ด41 บาทครับ
41 บาทโอเค40แล้วก็มี1 บาทรอสักครู่นะไม่มีเงินทอนมี5 บาทโอเค
แต่บาทขึ้นขวามือนะครับ
โอเคขอบคุณครับ Okay บัตรโดยสาร here so all we do is swipe it on there and we're good to go. So we're going to be heading in the direction of Nonthaburi Civic Centre. Platform 2, Chanchala Song. On the platform. Okay, our train will be here in 7 minutes. 7 nati. Okay, everybody, here comes the train. รถไฟกำลังมา Okay, we're here at Yaek, Pak Kret. จะลงที่ Yaek, Pak Kret. Okay, it's time to get out of the station. ผมจะออกจากสถานีนี้. It's a little bit of a quiet station as well, so you have to be aware of that. โอ้โหไม่มีใครที่นี่ Okay, so I'm going to take exit 1 ทางออก 1 โอ้โหไม่มีใครที่นี่แล้วก็ผมคิดว่าที่นอนมีรถมอเตอร์ไซค์ So it's very quiet here, there's nobody here, but I'm hoping there's going to be a motorcycle over there because there usually is. If there isn't a motorcycle, then I'm going to have to walk to the main road. Aha, เห็นรถมอเตอร์ไซค์อยู่ที่นอน สวัสดีครับ รอสักครู่นะ So I'm just going to get on here. Remember guys, you've got to do a little bit of bargaining here. อะไรนะ Okay, ไปก็ได้ครับ Okay, that's 30 baht to go to Koh Kret on the motorcycle, and yeah, I told him no speeding as well. Okay 30 บาทครับขอบคุณครับ
Thank you.
Okay, there's one or two ways that you can go to this island, and I'm just going to take you down here because I want to show you the two ways that you can do this. Okay, we're walking right down to the river now, and there is a little pier a little bit further on. Also, if you're caught short, Yaek Bai Chi mi hong nam ti ni doi. So there's toilets here, so don't worry. And this is the pier area. Over here, you can get a speedboat, and they will charge something between, well, I don't know. Last time I tried it was 60 baht, but I will show you a cheaper way to get onto the island. Just walk along here and you'll see a brand new path over there. Just recently done actually in the last couple of years. All you have to do is walk along here and you get a lovely view of the river too. Nice little coffee shops you can stop at as well. And we've got the all new Pak Kret Pier, Tarua Pak Kret. And we're at the back of one of the temples, but just keep following this road around here. Remember to go past the snakes. And we're not too far off now. I think the ferry's over this side. It just goes back and forth, so you're not going to have to wait a long time. On we go. Remember, when you're getting on here and getting off, be careful of that. It's a little bit dodgy. So let's just get into the boat, shall we? Over there is Koh Kret Island. Crossing time is about 1 minute. Now this is what you got to watch out for. To enter the island, you've got to pay for the boat fare. And it used to be here. I wonder if it's still here. I think so. ราคา5 บาทใช่ไหม
ใช่ค่ะ
โอเคมี10ครับ so
คนเดียว
คนเดียว Okay. Okay ขอบคุณครับ So it's still a bargain. It's 5 baht. Now last year it was only 3 baht. There's lots to see and do on this island, and we even have a school because there's a community living here as well.
ไปมานวดเหรอครับ
ใช่ครับนวดเท้าแล้วก็ที่ผมมาที่นี่มาก่อนแล้วก็ผมจะไปนวดเท้าที่นั่นผมหวังว่าร้านเปิด
ที่จริงต้องเดินเส้นนี้ครับ ข้างในมันไม่ร้อน
เห็นแล้วตรงไปทางหน้าครับแล้วก็ร้านอยู่ทางขวามือใช่ครับ
มีคนอยู่หรือเปล่า
โอเคจำได้ผมรู้จักบริเวณนี้
มีคนอยู่ไหม
Okay, that's just about it for this video. But if you're on the island, there's a place here that does massage, and we've got the prices here. So just before I go, okay, so we've got body massage, 1 hour, 200 baht, 1.5 hours, 300 baht, and everything. What do I usually go for? I usually go for Nuad Tao. So that's half an hour for 100 baht. So 1 hour for 200 baht. It's not bad compared to Bangkok prices, but it used to be a lot cheaper than that about a year ago. The prices have gone up here a little bit, but you know, it's not too bad. If you come over here, you know, it's okay. Anyway, that's just about it for this video. So remember to give it a big thumbs up like that. Make sure you hit the subscription button below and drop me a comment, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.